Today we're diving into the Fiskars 9116 Smooth Action Bypass Pruner, designed for the discerning gardener who values precision and durability. This pruner is perfect for tackling green, living growth such as ornamental shrubs and trees with ease. Its self-lubricating, maintenance-free bearing ensures smooth operation, making every cut effortless. The fully hardened, precision-ground steel blade retains its sharpness over time, promising longevity and reliability in every pruning session. One standout feature is the low-friction coating, which not only facilitates easier cutting but also enhances rust resistance, ensuring this tool remains a valuable companion season after season. The soft grip handle provides a comfortable experience, reducing fatigue during extended use, while its steel construction guarantees exceptional durability for years of dependable service. Whether you're a novice gardener or a seasoned horticulturist, the Fiskars 9116 Smooth Action Bypass Pruner delivers on all fronts: functionality, comfort, and longevity. It's a tool that combines cutting-edge technology with ergonomic design, making it a must-have for anyone looking to maintain their garden with precision and ease.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.